Hello everyone, I am going to discuss the idea Ambsafe. These are the two students who have come up with the idea Ambsafe, Charishma and Nikita. Before going to explain about the idea, let me address the problem. Every year, approximately 1.5 lakh people die on Indian roads, which translate on an average into 1,130 accidents and 422 deaths every day, or 47 accidents and 18 deaths every hour. Unfortunately, about 30% of these deaths are caused due to delayed ambulance. So the solution is AmSafe. As in today's scenario, the number of accidents per day is increasing exponentially, so the number of deaths caused by it. So AmSafe increases the possibility of saving a life by avoiding the unnecessary time delay of traffic jams during an emergency case. The shortest route to the accident spot is displayed to, and the central server trackers and the vehicle's location and switches the traffic signal when the ambulance is nearing the traffic lights. The design and implementation of this technique is directly targeted for traffic management so that emergency vehicles on the roads gets a clear way and reach their destination in less time and without any human interference. This is the idea. These are some of the unique features and distinctive features of the solution. So, how the proposed idea is different from similar competitors. Presently, there are no similar competitors with this idea. The proposed idea is also different in several cases, such as it can also send alerts to traffic authority about the scenario. GPRS trackers with traffic police authority can control the traffic light into green light till the ambulance reaches the desired hospital. Suggest the shortest distance to an ambulance with the help, which can help the ambulance to reach within the golden hours. Login access to the driver and track patient details, number of patients, number of trips, etc. Scalability is it is major application and used in global markets such as healthcare, transportation, and services. The targeted customers are all emergency patients and government and private medical organizations or NGOs. These are the estimated details of the prototype. These are some of the images of the prototype. This is a flowchart of the prototype. First, when an emergency call is received, we determine the location of the accident spot. We calculate the shortest distance from the current location to the accident spot. We display the shortest route to the ambulance driver, that is, shortest route to the accident spot to the ambulance driver, and then activate the central server tracking. We track the ambulance location. If the ambulance is approaching a signal, then we send the signal to a traffic signal control system to switch the lights in favor to the ambulance. Then the ambulance passes the signal. And similarly, if there is no traffic signals on the way of ambulance, then the ambulance reaches the accident spot and provide necessary medical assistance. And in a similar manner, after providing that medical assistance, the ambulance is then taken to the nearest hospital. Uh, we display the shortest distance to the driver to the nearest hospital, activate the central server tracking, then track the ambulance location. If the ambulance is reaching a traffic signal, then we send the signal to the traffic control system to switch the lights in favor of the ambulance. If after changing the traffic signal, the ambulance passes the traffic signal. If there are no traffic signals in the way of ambulance, then it directly reaches the hospital and the patient can get medical assistance. This is a Android development we have done. It's a Figma prototype model. This is a basic model where we have just shown small interfaces. Welcome to Ambsafe. This is a login page. When we log in, we can log in with Google or anything, and then the hospital's location is shown. Click on the hospital. We can get the details of the hospital and the directions of the hospital, directions to the hospital. This is a basic Figma model which can be used by the drivers. Thus, it's helpful. We're also working on our website. It's just in the basic level. We have to modify it, we have to develop it, and several things are in the process. That's about the idea, I'm safe. Thank you.